What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to kind of be installing the Torque Solutions intake manifold, but I'm not going to be hooking up any of the sensors or anything in this video. I'm just going to get it mounted, get the throttle body put on, so then when my intercooler gets here next week, I can start my piping just to come down and around. But one thing I did get was these spacers. I think they're like 3/4. They're from Torque Solutions also. Because I might try to run my cold side piping through here, but we're gonna see on that. They did come with longer bolts right here to go down through. So now I'm gonna set you up on the tripod and I'll throw this manifold on. Alright guys, I just got 2 bolts in each side, cat corner to kind of line it up and get it where I want it. I am doing the reverse orientation on this. So now I gotta go over to my workbench. I'll get my throttle body and show you what you have to do to modify it. Alright guys, hopefully you can see everything okay. So here's the coolant nipple, and you're either going to just remove it or remove it, tap this hole, and then put the provided brass fitting in, which I will show you in a second, because I think I'm going to keep the coolant. So first off, you're going to start by taking this map sensor off. Alright guys, I got it over on the bench. All I did was put these vice grips on there, and then I tapped the top of it with a hammer. So now we're going to take this 1/8 inch tap this hole, and then we'll put this fitting in. Alright guys, now I'm just going to put a little bit of Teflon tape on the fitting. And then rip all the extra off. Right now I'm not going to tighten it up or anything until I know exactly how I want it to sit. And now we're going to hop over to the other workbench. Okay guys, now we're going to throw the map sensor back on, but we're going to do it the opposite of how it was earlier. So we're just going just like that. There you go, so I have the supplied bolts and a new gasket, so we can throw this on. Okay guys, real quick, I've been doing some research. I think I'm just going to pull this out and block this one off. Because as you can see back here, here's one of the lines that would go to the throttle body. Well, I just tied it back into itself down there. I mean, I don't have it done, I just kind of stuck on there until I get this all pulled out of the way. But for what I'm seeing, all that does is keep your throttle body from freezing in cold climates. And I mean, I live in Indiana, so it does get cold in the wintertime, but I don't ever drive this in the wintertime. Especially once I get it all done up, I probably won't drive it all the time anyway. So I just figured I'd let you guys know that real quick. But yeah. Alright guys, it's been a few days. So one thing, I did get this mounted. As you guys can see, I don't have all the bolts in. Don't mind this, I just have it sitting there for a minute. We'll hop into this in just a minute. But I did take the old map sensor out because we got the AEM. It has 3.5 bar map sensor with the iWire harness and the cob adapter. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that in. We gotta put this little O-ring on here, throw some silicone grease on there, and then we'll throw it on the car. And I got my coupling for right here. But guys, I think I'm gonna wait on doing this because I had to order some more fittings. I kind of halfway tacked up these pie cuts. Not very well, might I add. Gotta do some work on the TIG welding. But my kind of thought process was kind of sit like that, come out, and then I'm gonna 90 down over that way. But that'll probably be I'll make a whole separate video to doing my intercooler piping. But I don't know if I showed you guys. I did get the intercooler, so that's awesome. It looks sweet. I got the purple one from ETS. So now all I gotta do is make all my piping. My turbo should be here finally after 2 months. It should be here early next week. So there'll be a video on that turbo soon as well. So guys, as you can see, we're making some pretty good progress right now. I got a whole bunch of just little random stuff to do now, pretty much. I mean, making the intercooler piping and the down pipe and up pipe and stuff, that's gonna be time consuming. But I got like this crossover pipe thing that goes right here, put on. I gotta mount this real quick, hook up my lines to it. So there's a little bit to do yet, but we're getting there. That's gonna do it on this one though. Progress is coming finally, slowly but surely. We're on a home stretch now, whatever you want to call it. We're just waiting on the turbo mainly, because once I get the turbo, I can start doing my exhaust, finish up my intercooler piping. Have a whole video on that coming soon. But like I said, it's getting there. So that's gonna do it on this one. Hopefully I was informative. I know I didn't go over the bracket that goes on the bottom with all the ports and stuff, but I'll do that in a later video. But I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.